Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. A little change in the weather for us after what's been a relatively warm start to the month, a warm fall so far. We're going to start to get some rain and some thunderstorms to try to knock those temperatures down here this week. A little more fall-like coming your way. Stormy Tuesday with some healthy rainfall amounts are headed in. They're moving in right now, so we're going to take a live look at radar in just a second. But fall temperatures are going to file in behind this cold front that's bringing this rain. We're going to have some chilly nights, some comfy yet warm days, all wrapping it out here after we get past these rain showers, which are first and foremost on the ticket. You can see satellite radar has some spotty greens for us, meaning some very light opportunities at rain across northern Kentucky and a few more across south central Kentucky. The bulk of this, though, is just firing up in western Kentucky, and it's going to be a nice steady drip for us as we roll into our Tuesday. We've got a cold front that's dropping in out of the northwest, another little disturbance coming up out of the Gulf, so that's transporting the moisture we need. The cold front will provide some lift as they collide, and we're in for a pretty soggy day tomorrow with scattered showers and some thunderstorms likely through a majority of your day. The next big thing highlights the timing of this, and you'll note Futurecast is actually doing a pretty good job picking up the timing and location. Here's where it's at right now, pretty similar to what we have on radar. When we move this forward, you notice that it intensifies a little bit for us into the overnight tonight and starts to really get into the bluegrass region for us early tomorrow morning. Southern and eastern Kentucky, you might hold off a little bit longer on this as the front comes through, but nonetheless it fills in throughout the day, and some pockets of heavier rainfall are expected in there as well as that front makes its pass. By tomorrow night, things will start to dry up pretty quickly. We'll have some stragglers in there for us as we get into the overnight, and then behind that front, while it'll be cloudy to start on Wednesday, northerly flow takes over. A quick decrease in cloud cover opens us up to the sunshine, but it'll be much cooler sunshine on the other side. As we move forward, we'll notice that our chances for rain in the latest update are still looking like anywhere between 1 to possibly upwards of 3 inches, depending upon where these heaviest rainfall bands set up. A general 1 to 2 inches seems likely for us, though, across the board. And with that, we do have a marginal chance, or a slight chance, excuse me, level 2 out of 4 for possibly some flooding concern into tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of rain in a relatively short amount of time. Yes, it's been relatively dry for us too, but a quick dose of rainfall in this capacity could lead to a couple of instances where we have a little bit of flood concern. As we go into the temperature forecast for this, after that front comes by, notice where we go. Temperatures are going to be in the low 70s the next couple of days. On Thursday, while it will be a clear day, we're going to start in the low 40s, and we'll have a hard time even hitting 70 as the bulk of this cool air follows in. Then it's a slow climb back towards an above average for us into the weekend, but some overnights in the 40s, daytime highs in the low 70s. That's some pleasant fall weather that we're going to tap into. That's the front right there as it comes through. This is Wednesday. The cool air is there, mild and warmer as you go further to the west. As we go into the weekend, we replace the cool air with more mild air, and then as we go into the following week, though, we're starting to see a hint that there might be another little warm up in there, but we could rinse and repeat this opportunity as we move forward down the line into the middle to later part of October. Our temperature outlook for mid-October is going to be warmer than average, but it is that time of the year. There might be a little bit of weather whiplash for us, and we're going to notice that this week and into next. So rain tomorrow, things wrap up quickly, and then it's smooth sailing from here on out.